me and nobody never know. The only person they know was Queenie. Queenie alone did know. And I said to baby, I said, baby, I have to take myself from Jayden. It mix up in a too much something. Too much. I saw me take myself from him. And you know what the boy do me for draw me in back? Tell me say Akeem put it on my head. And him pay 2 million for reverse it. I saw him do for draw me in back. All me in. Me there at Jamaica, me rent to an Airbnb and Jayden don't know where I'm at. And the Airbnb was in him scheme. And him never know which part me did there. Him never know which part me did there. Him drive up and down until him find out what me did there. And my friend wake me up and tell me, say, Jayden outside. And I say, how the fuck Jayden know which part me there? And them something them do and all me in. Tell me, say, Akeem put it on my head. Try for all me in back. When I come to Belgium, the whole of Uno, una hypocrite because the system start move one way. Me start to move wide. And the whole of sit down on TikTok and say, something go wrong at Jamaica, Shay and move away. And me never talk. The only somebody did know why me did that move so is Queenie. Nobody at all never know. I'm have my friend them run me day in, day out run me. And them still never know why me I move wide. Me get up every early morning, bathe and gone and then I'm town. Me no stay a blood clad Phoenix. Me come back in a night when me ready for go my bed. When me I stay at the Airbnb, it's just bed, eat, sleep, gone. Bed, eat, sleep, gone. But no nasty say, when me did I say it was all true, Jayden, leave me alone, look at you, love me. And even though you bring me down and you call me name and you try to drag me name, me still can't sink your pussy. And me still a give leniency. Me still a give leniency. I mean, I don't know why me there so still a wall and things where me can't let go, dog. You know how to come here and come play victim on the internet and behave like people want their things. Dog tell people say you are the people things, youth. You set up people life, youth. Me come to Jamaica come see you live like a criminal, youth. The youth no want to leave him yard. You send man go buy food. You send man go draw your money. You send man I saw you live your life. Me never want to live so. Law me dog. Every day you come and talk about this and that and rare. Law me youth. Una pretend for the internet and behave like say. Una saint. And people want kill you. But people don't know say. And for them money una use. And a mind man. And a mind and I do no fuck with them wanna do. Jayden me can sink you dog. And you know that youth. You know me can sink you youth. Lord, me dog, me can't sink you. You think I joke me and make dog love me, youth? Avoid me. Stop see me and poke me and provoke me. And then when me come and my leg on my mouth, you come here come behave like say, me a this and me a that and me a real. Love me dog, me a warn you, youth. Jamaica, me come sister, you live your life like a fuckery. Who the fuck want to live? Me I got this a scheme, me I got pay this a man, yeah? Me I got that the scheme, Jayden. Jayden. Remember the night, no dog, and me follow your youth. Rest me youth. Remember the night and me follow you. And after me follow you, my blood clot left and go Irish jerk, go buy food for me and you. Rest me dog. Me tell you say a whole heap of things does you know. You know. And you still not let go me. It's like you keep on a port me from a talk. You pay for live. Nobody no want live like you. You pay for live. And every day me tell you say, stop, live so. And me tell you say, man, a Jamaica can't tame. And me tell you that. Me sink in the head and say, Jayden, them man you can't tame you out. Them can't tame. And you know say you play with fire. You pay this a money and this a money and this a money. And you know say you play with fire. I want something I go say and leave it right here so. Go take care of the youth. We get catch with the gun in your car and him take blood clot fault feet. Tell TikTok say him here take care of. Allow me alone. Go take care of the youth in a prison where you have to mine. Mine him and him whole family will take fault feet gun way in a your car. Leave me alone. Allow me, little youth. Allow me. Me I want you, Jayden. Allow me. Allow me alone. You hear me? I tell you, little youth. Allow me. Me tell you for rest me, no dog. Remember me follow you the night in a youth. Go give dog them family things in a money in a pussy. Rest me. Me tell you say me can't sink your youth or you not avoid me dog. And nobody not tell you say for love me alone little youth. I saw you live your life. So when you come here, so, and you not get no gift from the people, them sister, you pressure them. You have to take pressure because you're under pressure yourself. Stop come here, come use mind game, boy. People bad mind you for Benz and people, nobody no bad mind you for nothing. And oh, you live your life. When you get your money off of TikTok, you go in a extortion. You have to pay this, pay that, pay that. At Jamaica, me come sister, so you live your life. You know me have all heap of things for you. You not leave me. You not leave me. And you know me know a whole heap, but you still not leave me. Stop. Put your hand in a fire. Every day you come here, people are put it by your head. It by your head, it by your head. But TikTok don't know the real truth, dog. TikTok don't know the real truth, youth. Them don't know the real truth, dog. Stop cry, wolf flicker, youth, me tell you. Them don't know the real truth, youth. You have to rest. You don't know if you rest. Me say only if them know you behind the camera. Me say only if them know you behind the camera. Only if them know you behind the camera. Eh. You're no police. You're no nothing at all. That's why me no par with your youth. When me there Jamaica, me no want par on you. Cause you're no police and you ever strap. Me no want par on you and you're no blood clad police. Me pick a struggle is either you're a TikToker or you're a gunman. Pick a blood clad struggle. You're no police or you ever strap and you're no cop. So me and you could para Jamaica. Can nobody now hold me with you? And me I tell you say me now go to prison for you. Never. Me nah take no fault. So you see you to take a fault for you. That a film problem. Me nah take no fault for blood clot yo. Me never did I go take no fault for you. So people have to take fault for blood clot you. Me nah take it. That's why I drift from myself from you. That's why you vex when me there at Jamaica. You see me with everybody else at the pan. You're roll loose. Make me roll blood clot loose. Come in, I want to roll with you. You roll with too much blood clot gunman. And you roll with too much gun like you're blood clot police. Me no want to roll with you. Me no so loyal to you, boy. If you take no fault for you. Me no so loyal. Me no promise nobody that. That is why when me I left Jamaica come a foreign, me no blood clot tell you can't know when me I come. Make me stay be a rat. Batty boy. Stop follow me because suck your mother. Freedom nice and my life come first. I'm putting them important more than everything. Me not give my freedom for nothing. Jayden make man take fall film gun when I'm having a film car. And make boy give him freedom and to look after film family. Me no want live so. Me not take no fall for nothing. For nobody look after my family. Go suck your mother, Jayden. Go suck your mother. So anybody want to say me no loyal, me is a snitch, me is a rat, I don't give a fuck. And Jayden, let me say something to you. Because I see a screen record when you are treating my mother and my son. Let me say something to you. You see everything what I know? You see if you make nothing do my mother and my son, and everything what I know, and if you make nothing do me, because I'm not afraid of you and I'm not afraid of that. But I just tell you. Me tell the main person who in my corner right and so she know everything what she can talk for blood clot me. You understand what I say? Yeah. So, me now got dead with it. Me now got dead with it. Yeah, me now dead with it. Me just to make you know. So all the threat where you threat and the threat them where you send, rest me. Rest me, youth. You come here, come behave like say you're the most, what you call that? The most God-fearing person. Say God there. Everything you call down. Say God there. Say God there. God. Bible. God. What the fuck? What the fuck? Everything you come, God, 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 Bible, Bible, Bible. Stop playing with God, youth. Him sit high and look low. Stop playing with God, youth. Everything you come, you call down God and Bible. God and Bible, God and Bible. Yes, no good. Yes, no good. Dog, who remember the time when Jayden tell me say, the day when Fabi said she take out restraining order pan Jayden. Jayden tell me say Fabi see him and drive him down. Him say Fabi see him and drive him down. And when she drive him down, him drive her back down and thing and rare and how the story might go. So him to sit and tell me. Remember, you know, you have to understand. It's everything where him tell me, where him afraid for come out come say, me was him spokesperson. We could have talked for him. So remember at the time it was my friend. It's normal. You have your friend, them tell us say this, and you come here, boom. And you talk. So when people are come talk about how come, and me first come on TikTok come talk say, it depend Jayden head. And Jayden tell me. Say figure it out and Akeem put it pan him head and some come out, come bust it. Remember me come pan life, come say, hey boy, figure it out and Akeem. Only can't do Jayden. Nuh-uh. I want him tell me repeat. So everything when me come talk, I want him tell me. And me come out and come talk and defend him and repeat it. I repeat what him tell me. Dog. There's a screen record out there with TJ. TJ was saying to him that everything what you say, and TJ say, Lord, that alone. It's not me alone. Jayden tell, say figure it out and Akeem them want analyze him. It's more than one person. So me come in here repeat it, I want him tell we. Cause me couldn't know that, or something I have to tell we. Remember when him a get bring down, him come. Him call me. It's a somebody I bring me down and say this and that, ready. I'm reach over there. Me reach over the live. God bless, go suck your mother. Don't said fuck out, girl. Go suck your mother. Go suck your mother, girl. You like to set up people life and tell lie on people. And behave like say people are doing the worst things and are you out there do the worst. Dali want and me tell you say the blood clot paint on can't tame. Rest. Jayden know say my fight fire with fire. Jayden not living a pure life and a clean life. A TikTok alone you can't trick her. Them idiot you over here so. We walk and tell people say for suck them mother and lick out them mother. And them alone you can't trick stinking boy. You can't trick me. Me there round you and see that for myself. You couldn't trick me. I only look a numbskull them pan you can't trick. So Jayden, all you go like say you live life and people. Nobody no bad man you. Go suck your mother. And the life for you live. Nobody no bad man you have nothing. You're lying. It's all you live your life. You pay to live. But you come here, come put the little foolishness and the little numbskull them head. Them feel like so nobody no want to hear nothing. Jayden, me have phone and me have texting on my phone. What you tell me about Big C and Big C brother them and how much man Big C know and Big C set up your life with man. Hey boy. Me tell you, say, me no, the amount of things me have with your little boy. Me have a voice note to blood clot. Me don't know how to reach me. Me have voice note when man I tell about Big C. Man I send voice note about blood clot Big C. And how Big C are informer. And Big C brother them. And this and that and rare. And Big C power some man. And the hey boy. Bueno. You big coward yo. Rest me name youth. Rest me name. You come here every day, people bad mind you. People jealous of you. Yeah, make money. You this, you that. Bro, nobody no bad mind you, youth. Yeah, make me be a informer. So it go. Make me be an informer. Me not holding no loyalty. Go suck your mother in the comments. Me not hold no loyalty for nobody. Make me